Morning, students. Today, we have to verify u equal to x square minus y is harmonic. Also, we have to find out the harmonic conjugate of the given function. That is, we have to find out the value of v. Here, u is equal to x square minus y square minus y. This is equation 1. To show that the u is harmonic, we have to show that uxx plus uyy equal to 0. In order to show that u equal to x square minus y is harmonic, we have to show that uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Then ux is equal to differentiating partially with respect to x, then 2x. uxx is equal to 2. Similarly, partially differentiating with respect to y, uy is equal to minus 2y minus 1. Uy is equal to minus 2y minus 1. Then uyy is equal to minus 2. Then uxx plus uyy is equal to 2 plus minus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, u is harmonic. We showed that u is harmonic. Here uxx is equal to uyy is equal to minus 2. Adding uxx plus uyy, we get 2 plus minus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, given function is harmonic. Next, you have to find out its conjugate, harmonic conjugate. That is, you have to find out the value of v. Here ux is equal to ux is equal to 2x. uy is equal to minus 2y minus 1. Based on this result, we can find the value of v. Here, first Cauchy-Riemann equation. We know that first Cauchy-Riemann equation is ux is equal to vy. Therefore, vy is equal to ux is equal to 2x. Therefore, vy is equal to 2x. Integrating with respect to y. Integrating with respect to y. When we integrate with respect to y, vy will become v. The right hand side will become 2x is a constant. Above 2x integral of 2x into y. Plus, when we integrating with respect to y, we put it as constant as pi x. Therefore, the harmonic conjugate we get, v is equal to 2xy plus pi x. Here we have to find out what is the value of pi x. For that, this is equation number 1. Partially differentiating with respect to differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, vx is equal to 2y plus pi dash x. Vx is equal to 2y plus pi dash x. Then take the second Cauchy-Riemann equation. Uy is equal to minus vx. Here uy is equal to minus 2y minus 1. Minus vx is equal to minus 2y plus pi dash x. Then cancel minus 2y and minus 2y. Therefore, pi dash x is equal to here minus pi dash x. Is equal to minus 1. Therefore, pi dash x is equal to 1. Then integrate pi dash x. When we integrate it with respect to x, we get pi of x is equal to x plus c. Pi of x is equal to, when we integrating, pi dash x equal to 1, when integrating with respect to s, pi of x is equal to x plus c. Therefore, our harmonic conjugate v is equal to 2xy plus pi x equal to x plus c. Therefore, v is equal to 2xy plus x plus c. V is equal to 2xy plus x plus c. Now, in this case, to find the harmonic conjugate, we use the Cauchy-Riemann equation. We use the Cauchy-Riemann ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. Ux is equal to vy, and since ux is equal to vy, vy is equal to 2x, vy is equal to 2x. Then first we integrating with respect to y. When we integrating with respect to y, vy is equal to 2x, integrating v equal to 2xy plus pi x. 2xy plus pi x. Then partially differentiating with respect to x. Next we have to find out the value of pi x. To find out the pi x, we differentiating this one with respect to x. Then we get vx equal to 2y plus pi dash x. Then we take the second Cauchy-Riemann equation. Second Cauchy-Riemann equation, uy equal to minus vx. Therefore, uy is equal to minus vx. Uy, we know that minus 2y minus 1. Vx is equal to 2y plus pi dash x. Then common term, minus 2y cancel. Therefore, minus pi dash x is equal to minus 1. That is, pi dash x is equal to 1. When we integrate this one, pi of x equal to x plus c. Therefore, our harmonic conjugate, we substitute the value of pi of x plus c in 1, we get v equal to 2xy plus x plus c.